Hello students. Till now we have studied about the ionic bond. Today we are going to study the covalent bond. The chemical bond formed by the sharing of electrons between two atoms is known as covalent bond. The sharing of electrons take place in such a way that each atom in the resulting molecule gets the stable electron arrangement or configuration of an inert gas. Covalent bond is formed only when a nonmetal combines with another nonmetal or itself. For example, H2, O2, N2, CO2, NH4, CCl4, CH3, COOH, etc. Types of covalent bond. Covalent bond are of three types: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond. A single covalent bond is formed when one pair of electron is shared between two atoms. For example, formation of hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule is formed due to sharing of one pair of electrons, that is one electron of each atom, as in the given equation. Formation of methane. A carbon atom has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. It shares its valence electron with 4 atoms of hydrogen, forming 4 single covalent bonds. Double covalent bond. A double covalent bond is formed when two pairs of electrons are shared between the two combining atoms. For example, formation of oxygen molecule. An atom of oxygen consists of 6 electrons in its valence shell. So, it requires 2 more electrons to attain a stable 8 electron configuration. This is achieved when each of two oxygen atoms share its 2 electrons with the other. Triple covalent bond. A triple covalent bond is formed when 3 pairs of electrons are shared between the two combining atoms. For example, formation of nitrogen molecule. An atom of nitrogen has 5 electrons in its valence shell, so it requires 3 more electrons to attain the stable 8 electron configuration or octet. This achieved when two nitrogen atoms combines together by sharing 3 electrons each. Formation of propyne C3H4. In a propyne molecule, 3 carbon atoms combine with 4 hydrogen atoms in the following manner. Covalent compounds. The covalent compounds containing covalent bonds are known as covalent compounds, which are formed by the sharing of electrons between atoms. Each of these are made up of molecules, so they are known as molecular compounds. Properties of covalent compounds. These are usually liquid or gas, only some of them are solid. Covalent compounds have usually low melting point or low boiling point because the force of attraction between the molecules of covalent compound is very weak. So, only a small amount of heat energy is required to break these weak molecular forces. Covalent compounds are usually insoluble in water, but they are soluble in organic solvents. Some covalent compounds like glucose, sugar, urea, etc. are soluble in water. Covalent compounds do not conduct electricity because they do not contain ions. Occurrence of metals. Earth crust is the major source of metals. Metals occur in free state or in combined state as per reactivity. The unreactive metal like gold, platinum, silver, mercury, etc. occur in free state. Metals which are reactive in nature like sodium, calcium, potassium, aluminum, lead, etc. are found or occur in combined state in the form of compounds. Minerals, the natural materials in which the metals or their compounds are found in earth crust are called minerals. NaCl, KCl, CaCO3, MgCO3, ZnS, Cu2s, Fe2O3, etc. are the example of minerals. Ore, those minerals which the metals can be obtained on a commercial scale conveniently are called ores. For example, Al2O3.2H2O, that is bauxite, Al2O3.2SiO2.2H2O, that is clay, are minerals of aluminium. Aluminium is usually extracted from bauxite instead of clay, so bauxite is the ore of aluminium. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.